Coffee is hiring backup dancers, singers, and other creatives, while Meg the Stallion is excited to meet Shenseea.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people, like we say, we are going to talk about Shenseea meeting Megan the Stallion, and we're also going to talk about Coffee. Now, Coffee is seeking to expand her team, and she's currently looking for backup singers, backup dancers, and also other creatives. She said musician, but we don't know exactly like what kind of musician. She never specify any kind of, players of instruments or composers, whatever, you know what I mean? But me have a little advert from her where me go play, me gonna hear what she has say, and we can submit. So take a listen.
Blessings, this is Original Coffee, and my team and I are looking forward to all the most talented backup singers, backup dancers, and musicians. We look forward to your flexible skill set, your excellent technique, and your tireless stamina on stage. You can make your submissions to lvls.auditions@gmail.com. Submissions open on June 21, 2021, and they close on July 11, 2021. So please reach out, submit. We're looking forward to you guys. Forward with all of the energy. Come with the fire, the city burning down. We just turn it up fire and keep it burning.
Yes, so if you have what it takes to be a part of Coffee's team, or if you feel like you have what it takes, take the information and submit to whatever, or find out some more, you can go up on our page, you can email them and ask them, find out some more. But people, let's take a look at this video of Meg the Stallion. Really, really excited to meet Shenseea.
I just got a lot of pain. But let me tell you, I like you a lot. But wait, I want to start at the top of the bottom, baby. Then you want to shoot at the red at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you're at the top, baby. She wants your name, baby.
Yeah, people, I'm really happy to see this, and I'm sure a lot of Shenseea's fans are happy as well as other fans of Dancehall, because when we think about it, overall, the ladies them do exceptionally well with the international audience and rappers alike, right? So we see people always crazy over Shenseea. I don't know what it is about Shenseea, but we always see her around the rappers them and they're excited to meet her, right? We see a video with her and Moneybag Yo. We see other videos, nothing really come to mind now, but we don't know the videos them, right? We don't know the freestyle. I forgot who she was with that time, but also, we have other artists like Jada and Spice as well, who are get them recognition on the international scene. So we have to big up the ladies them in a dancehall. And I do believe that this is at the B.E.T Awards, if I'm not mistaken, right? And Shenseea post this video and she captioned it and say, "It's women celebrating women for me. The love is real. Congrats on the win, babe." At Meg the Stallion. And Romisha forget involved, and Mafe says something represent for him artist. But anyway, he was just making a joke about she giving Meg the phone number. And this is what Romi said. Romi said, "Mind them catch your number, them quick over here, the police them out." Right? So big up Ramesh, it's a good look for Shenseea, a good look for dancehall overall, right? So people, when you see what go on, when you see the dancehall, finally I get some recognition, little by little. I mean, we always get recognition. You understand what I say? Modern dancehall, we are do it little by little. And when we say we, I mean the artists them, right? Everybody were involved. Fans are like everybody, right? So people, I want to big up on yourself. I'm going to just leave it right there. So when I get down in the comment section, tell me what you think about Shenseea and Meg the Stallion. When you think that exchange of phone number mean that there's going to be a song possibly in the future. And all the Shenyang them wanna say, when I like for hear I Meg the Stallion and Shenseea up on one track, let me know down in the comment section. So big up on yourself, stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP.
Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.